Hello friends, today we are going to make a tractor compactor made out of wood 3/4 inches thick. The back part of the tractor measures 6 inches by 2 3/4. The tractor cabin is 2 inches by 2 3/4, and the thickness is 1.5 inches. As you can see, all this section is glued together already. The roller is made out of 5 circular wooden pieces that measures 2.5 inches with the center cut of 1/4 inch. After we glue the 5 pieces together, I add these 2 rectangular pieces that measures 2 3/4 inches by 1/2 inch, and then add 1 wood piece of 4 inches by 3/4 inches with the center hole of 1/4 inch. Now, this entire piece allows the compactor to rotate. Now I am going to gather the pieces before I glue it together. My friends, I hope you all like this project. Please give me a like and subscribe. Share any comments you have. Thank you, and I will see you at the next project.